Hi everybody, guess what? We are going to do a house tour. We're gonna start from in the living room. Actually, I guess we can start with the basement. Actually, I'm gonna start with the living room. This is the living room. It's almost a nice day out today. I said it's almost a nice day out today.
Yeah, it is a nice day today.
But is it cold?
Well, it's supposed to be warmer than yesterday.
Warmer?
Uh-huh.
But is the wind blowing?
Yeah, there's wind, but it's like 50 degrees, I guess, outside, so that's warmer.
So can I go outside? Actually, I hate to say, I kind of lied. I don't think we'll be doing a house tour. Let me set the camera down. And, alright, we're gonna go outside when the cold wind blows. He's a special guest. And there's the door. It's already opened. Now we're gonna go outside. Here we go. It's a nice day out here today. There's traffic agent. Some fresh air. There's the other. Yeah, that's right. It's nice outside. Did I say you can talk, traffic agent? No, but I'm gonna talk anyway. Okay. What do you have to say? It's a nice day out, and I don't know what to say. Oh, are those porch lights? Yes, traffic agent, there are porch lights. Some fresh air for a school bus. Yep, that's right. There's some wind blowing in the mic, so you may or may not even hear this. What the heck? There's still an autumn leaf. I'll try to catch it. Too late. Can't catch the leaf. It's going down. It's going away. Oh well. We're walking here when the cold wind blows. Once the camera focuses. Can I go in the snow? Sure, traffic agent. You're gonna that was traffic agent saying burr. What is that? Is that a gong? No, traffic agent, that's not a gong. That's not a gong. I'm so cold. I need to go inside. Okay, traffic agent, we're gonna stay on the porch. As you know, there's our address. There's the garage door. And there's it. You know, we've been down there, but in my last channels, we've been down there. There's the way to my scooter's parking garage, but we're not gonna go down there today because it's icy. Let's watch a view of the cars driving. There they go. here one comes. It's cold out here. And there's a bunch of wind blowing in the mic, so you may or may not even hear this. Hope I don't get a frostbite. The other one almost comes. Actually, I hate to say, I kind of lied. I don't think we'll be looking at the cars going by, so we're gonna get an outside tour. There's the door to the garage. If I can tell someone to open it. So,
Nice out?
yeah. There is a... We're gonna put the camera on the tripod. There we go. I hope you're seeing me because I hope the camera doesn't fall in the planter. My traffic agent come back to the driveway. Actually, I wanted to go up into the driveway. You can't, traffic agent. Too bad. So, we're gonna put traffic agent on the brick wall. And we're gonna open the garage door here, if we can. Here we go. Actually, let me ask Grandma. Grandma, can you open the garage door?
Sure. Keep the door shut.
Alright, now we're gonna watch the garage door open. Can I watch it? Thanks, Grandma. Wow.
All the way?
Yeah. Wow. That's cool. See, traffic agent? That's how a garage door opens. School buses don't go in these kind of garages. Garages, I should say. There's a pink floaty, a green floaty, and the blue floaty. We're gonna get a garage tour here. Actually, there's a weed whacker. A lot of these outdoor machines use pull strings. It's very hard to turn on. But my camera isn't hard to turn on because this is also an outdoor item. This tablet is not hard to turn on. But the outdoor items are hard to turn on. You just have to pull the lawnmower, and cars are not somewhat hard to turn on. See, there's a key switch. I don't like cars when they have key switches. I only like them with button switches. If I can find an autumn leaf. Too late. Oh, actually, not too late. That's what I found. I found somewhat of an autumn leaf. Got it and put it in the snow. So, can I shovel up some snow? Sure, traffic agent. I need a bath. Alright, we'll take a bath later, okay?
I want to take a bath now.
Not now, traffic agent, okay? There's my grandma's car. I don't know why these kind of garage lights have pole chains. Pole switches. I don't know why they would make a kind of light like that. Look at that. You can see, let's get a view of this garage. I don't know what style this cover is, but that is a weird light fixture. But, I mean, look at that light. I like that light. Looks like a spotlight. There we go. Now we can watch the cars go. Actually, we can't. Oh, there's a leaf. I can find it. It's not fall anymore anyway. Oh, I think I found it. Yeah, I found it. Here's an autumn leaf. We're gonna take it inside. That's right, it's a yucky autumn leaf, so I'm gonna crumple it. So, and me and traffic agent are gonna go and take a bath. And whoa! I almost fell! Alright, never mind. I'm not gonna take a bath. Okay, so, I hope you enjoyed this outdoor video. This next video is going to be a house tour. So, there's a skylight. There's the other house. Do you know where this house only has fluorescent light fixtures? That's right, in the basement. In the one and only basement. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So there you have it. A view outside. So, here's some green and yellow garbage cans. Tractors are hard to, never mind. Enough with me talking about the machines that are hard to turn on. So, look at that. There's a curtain that leads to the window to go outside. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Bye. Stop.